Hi, hello, once again, welcome back to the session. This is your mentor Kabilan. So, in this video, நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா the tips to crack TANCET 2021. Okay, what are all the important tips which we really need to keep in mind to crack the exam with phenomenal top scores? Okay, so before getting into the session, don't forget to join us in our social media platforms, that is in our YouTube channel Unacademy CAT4MBA and also in our Telegram channel TANCET MBA. So in our Telegram channel, we will be sending exclusively all the videos and materials and stuff. So definitely it will be much more useful for you if you join in our Telegram channel TANCET MBA. So getting to the strategy, the tips to crack TANCET MBA, the first and primemost point which you really need to keep in mind is to get strong with the basics. That means when you take up the syllabus of TANCET 2021, you have 5 sections. That is, you have quantitative ability, you have data sufficiency, you have comprehension, you have business analysis, and the last part, verbal ability. So in the 5 section of Pathina, definitely you need to know at least the basics of it. Okay, you need to get strong with the basics first of all. So if you're really strong enough, then I would give you the second point to be start taking pre-exams by yourself. That is, we have a lot of previous year TANCET question papers available in our internet, and we provide that in our own Telegram channel as well. So you can start taking, you can assume that you are sitting in an exam hall and the paper is being given to you with 200, 100 questions with a time frame of 2 hours. So what you really need to do is you need to fix your mind something like you're sitting in a real exam hall and taking the original exam. So அப்படி பண்ணீங்கன்னா main reason why I'm telling you this one, this will exactly put up a lot more peer pressure on you. Okay, which means you need to make sure that you are sitting along with some 40 people in a hall and they are also running the same race. Okay, and at the last, do a proper and a valid evaluation by yourself. So just to make sure that where you stand exactly before the exam. Or 40 days முன்னாடி இதை பண்ணீங்கன்னா definitely with the course of 40 days you can improve yourself. Okay, this one literally helps for you. And the third important point is the time management. See, for TANCET, you'll be given 2 hours. This is nothing but a matter of 120 minutes, which means in a time frame of 120 minutes, you need to address 100 questions. So, little you can take 72 seconds. You can take 72 seconds a maximum for one question. So, what is the ultimate, trick or what ultimate strategy we need to build on? The time management. நம்ம ஒரு கொடுத்திருக்க கொஸ்டினை எவ்வளவு சீக்கிரமா நம்ம முடிக்கிறோம். Solving a question taking less than 10 seconds or 20 seconds is way more commendable, way more appreciable. Okay, so definitely time management ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம், especially when reading the comprehension parts and business analysis part. It will take a long time for all the beginners to read the question itself first of all. Okay, so time management is important thing. And the fourth important thing is the fast reading. This tip, that is the fast reading tip, which you really need to apply on comprehensions and most importantly on the business analysis part. So business analysis பாத்தீங்கன்னா you'll be given a big passage, and the passage மட்டுமே ஒரு 2 pages இருக்கும். You'll be given 2 pages full of passages. You need to completely go through it just by doing it by a fast read. You should not slow read. You should read it and make sure you attend all the 10 questions in the business analysis part. So especially for the comprehension section and business analysis section, fast reading is inevitable. Okay, very very important. And the last tip, அஞ்சாவது tip நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, to maintain accuracy. This is really 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 important. What is that accuracy concept? For example, let's say if you are attending out of 100 questions, if you are attending only 70 questions and you can't able to attend 30 questions within a time frame of 120 minutes, in the 100 question in the 70 question, if you can make all the 70 questions right, that means you have maintained 100% accuracy. Very, very important. And you know what? If you have attended only 70 questions and fortunately all the 70 questions are correct, then it is nowhere a doubt that you will be getting 99 percentile very, very easily. Very, very easily. You will be in a top 10 or 20, definitely for sure. Okay, so this is the ultimate tips, the 5 tips which I can able to put forward in front of you. Make sure you crack it by using all the 5 tips. இது 5 மட்டுமே நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா ஞாபகத்துல வச்சிட்டு if you can able to execute for the rest of 40 days to come, definitely 100% for sure you can able to crack TANCET with absolute flying colors. Okay, there is no doubt about it. So with this, we'll try to bring up a lot more tidbits, short, strategic videos that will really help you for your preparation. And as you know already, our schedule is being from Monday to Friday every day at 5 p.m. and you'll be having classes on maths, business analysis, verbal, data sufficiency and all stuff, right? And we also have our Unacademy Learning app. So you can kindly download it from our Play Store, where you will be seeing my special classes and also the special classes made by other educators as well. Okay. So finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Unacademy CAT4MBA and also our Telegram channel TANCET MBA. Signing off with this. Have a good day everyone. Bye-bye.